our universe. The Moon. The Moon is a satellite of the Earth. A satellite is a comparatively small natural body that orbits a planet. Moons are heavenly bodies that go round the planets. The Earth has one moon. Some planets like Mercury have no moons. Jupiter tops the moon count with 48 moons. Our moon is a sphere with a diameter of little over 3,218 kilometers. It is about 1/4 the size of the Earth and weighs about 1/8 the weight of the Earth. The Sun, Moon, and the Earth are held together by forces of attraction called gravity. In fact, all heavenly bodies attract one another by the force of gravity. The closer the two bodies, the greater the force of gravity is between them. The Moon's gravity is only 1/6 of the Earth's gravity. So, if you weighed 60 kgs on Earth, you would weigh only 10 kgs on the Moon. This is some place I'd like to go. If you can jump 1 meter high on the ground, you'd be able to do a cool 6 meters on the Moon. Even though the Moon reflects sunlight, it is not really smooth on its surface. Even with just our naked eyes, we can see dark spots on the Moon's surface. These are actually big hollows called craters. Craters differ in size and depth. Some of them even 32 to 48 kilometers wide. Scientists believe that these craters were caused by meteoroids or huge pieces of rock crashing onto the surface of the Moon. The Moon also has some steep and high mountains reaching up to a height as 8 kilometers. Yet, there are plains on the Moon too. The surface of the Moon has no water or air, and hence, no living things live there. No water means there are no clouds on the Moon too. No air also means that no sound can be heard on the Moon. Astronauts have to use radios to communicate with each other. The Moon is a silent and desolate place that gets too hot in the day and too cold at the night. A satellite is a small body that revolves around a planet. You already know that the Moon is a satellite, and it is a natural satellite. We have artificial satellites which are man-made. These are deployed above the Earth's surface for observation from a great distance. There are two types of artificial satellites: sun-synchronous and the other, geosynchronous. Sun-synchronous satellites are also known as polar satellites. These satellites follow the polar orbits at a height ranging from 500 to 1,000 kilometers. Geosynchronous or equatorial satellites follow the orbits parallel to the equator at fixed height of about 36,000 kilometers. Satellites help us with weather forecast, communication, education, and disaster management, among other things.